Good morning to all my dear students, class 8th. How are you all? I hope you all are well and now studies also going on well. Now see, as we were talking about the story, that's the Caught by a Sneeze. Let us see the remaining part, third, section third. As we have studied about the story, that is he came to know about the three dacoits entered in the house, and now he listened all the they are whispering what they are talking. They were talking about the looted and booted the house, so that now the boy wanted to open their faces in front of all, so that he planned a idea, he had a idea and he planned a plan. And now what he did in the next step, see the remaining part, section 3, page number 74. Let us see the story, what's going on. Well, continue. See, he thought this is a proper moment for asking their assistance, and since he was unable to knock with his hand and begin to kick the door, and this is the proper time, he thought this is the proper time to asking their presence, to asking the enter. And since he was unable, and now till his hand was hide behind, so that he was not able to knock the door with his hand, so that he began to kick the door. He started to kick the door, make the noise to open the door. Hello, the disturbance are you making here? Said a footman, who opened it and seizing Hubbard by the shoulder, and he pulled him into the dining hall. A person opened the door. Hello, what disturbance you? Why are you making the noise here with your foot? Why are you making the disturbance here? Are you here? क्या तुम ही हो जो यहाँ ये disturbance कर रहे हो? Make disturbance. Are you making here? क्या तुम कर रहे हो यहाँ ये शोर? Said a footman who opened it. A footman who is the watchman like, who opened the door and seizing Herbert by the shoulder, and he caught the Herbert by his shoulder and he pulled in front of the people in the dining hall. और उसने लगभग उसे खींचते हुए ले जाता है. He pulled, लगभग खींचते हुए ले जाना, him into the dining hall. डाइनिंग हॉल में लेके जाता है. There was dinner going on well, जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी खाना चल रहा था. Here is a strange boy I found making a noise in the porch, Sir Simon. He said to Mr. Simon, Sir, here is a strange, unknown person. Strange boy was there. I found there. He is making a noise in the porch. Porch is the place of the outside of the house and covered by a roof. पोर्च एक ऐसा प्लेस होता है जो कि घर के बाहर होता है और रूफ से कवर, जो रूफ होती है वो उस पर कवर होती है. सो सर साइमन ये बाहर शोर मचा रहा था. एवरीबडी टर्न्ड टुवर्ड्स हिम. सभी लोग उसकी तरफ देखते हैं. ब्रिंग हिम फॉरवर्ड सर, सैड सर साइमन. सर साइमन सैड, ब्रिंग हिम फॉरवर्ड, टेक हिम फॉरवर्ड, उसे आगे लेकर आओ. द ओल्ड जेंटलमैन बिफोर मैंशन, as he told Mr. Simon, what were you doing there, my boy? He was very kind nature person. He didn't rebuke him. वो बड़ा ही दयालु टाइप का आदमी था. उसने उसे किसी तरह से डांटा नहीं. And asked politely, what are you doing, my son? What are you doing, my boy? तुम क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ पे मेरे बच्चे? Why his arms are tied? इसकी हाथ बंधे हुए क्यों हैं? इसकी बाहें बंधी हुई क्यों है? Said one of the ladies. A lady asked him, why is your arms are tied? तुम्हारी बाहाँ बंधी हुई क्यों है? Poor fellow, dear boy, said another. Another one said, poor fellow. Herbert at once began to explain that he had been ill on the journey home and roped off his horse and mercilessly left in the condition by the thieves. Herbert just want to explain each and every condition of his journey and how he robbed by the robbers, and his horse also taken by them mercilessly, and they just mercilessly left in his condition by the thieves. He just want to tell them everything very clearly, that what happened with him. Just some 3 robbers looted and booted him, and they left alone mercilessly in the ditch and in a very poor condition by the thieves. Only to think of it, exclaimed Sir Simon. What are you thinking? Sir Simon exclaimed. Cried. One of the guests incredulously he was not he was not a person who can believe easily to anyone, so unwillingly to believe something, the guest doubtful, hey, asked Sir Simon, why, that is likely story, only to thinking of it, why are you thinking about, what are you thinking, and that's a likely story, said Sir, and you just want to make a story, that's a likely story, said one of the guests, the person who is don't who doesn't believe to anyone. He asked him, are you making some story? And doubtful, he asked, Sir, perhaps has a robber himself, perhaps you have booted you yourself, and suggested a lady. A lady asked, did you want to did you want to make us fool? क्या तुम हमें मूर्ख बनाना चाहते हो? Herbert blushed with the shame. Herbert blushed with the shame and insisted to continue his story. He doggedly held his tongue and half resolved to let them find out their danger for themselves. Herbert's cheeks become red, blushed cheeks become red with the shameful thing, and she insisted of continuing his story. He just want to tell them a story very clearly. He doggedly means very hardly stop himself. उसने अपने आप को बमुश्किल रोका, and he hold his tongue. उसने अपनी tongue को काफ़ी control किया, and half resolved to let them and just want to give the time to speak about him, और उन्हें उसके बारे में बोलने दिया, and out their danger of themselves. And he just wanted there to let them find out their danger for themselves. He just want to make them secure from the robbers, but he was watching it all. Well, untie him, said Sir Simon. Sir Simon कहते हैं, untie him, open his hand, come, since it is Christmas evening, and will treat him well. Listen, it is Christmas evening. Come and come here and come. Since it is a Christmas evening, we will treat him well. Here, my lad, sit down and that of empty seat at the bottom of the table, and make as a good as meal as you can. The Simon was kind-hearted, so that he said, it is Christmas evening, so we should treat him well. It is a Christmas evening, so we do not to hurt the anyone. And now, here, my lad, come forward, sit down in the empty seat. Sit down in the empty seat at the bottom of the table. Sit down under the table. And now, and make as sit down nearby the table. At the bottom of the table means nearby on the first. Please sit down nearby the table and make as good as meal as you can, and take your meals as you can. Firstly, fill yourself. When you have had your fill, when you have taken your dinner, we'll listen to more your story. Then you have to firstly complete your dinner. After that, we will listen your poor story. The feast then proceeded. The dinner was regular on the time, and Herbert now at a liberty. The dinner was completed, and Herbert now free to tell them a story, and was not at all sorry to join in, and he was not feeling sorry to join them. He was very happy to join them all. The more they ate, the merrier did he company become. The more they ate, the merrier did he company become. He quenched his thirst, he quenched his hungriness as he can. वो जितना खा सकता था, as he want to take, he take. जितना लेना चाहता था उसने लिया. He ate, and merrier did as he can. The company became, and they were also giving them company to eat the dinner. Herbert, in spite of his hurt feeling at their doubts of his honesty, could not help being warm both in mind and in the body by good cheer. Herbert, when he continued about the doubtful feeling on him by that people, he was not happy. Means, in spite of his hurt feeling, apni, in the place of the hurted feelings, he was hurted by the feeling on by the feeling of that people who making the doubts on his honesty. In spite of it, इन सब की जगह he was hurted by the feelings of them, उनकी बातों से वो काफ़ी hurt हुआ था. And he make the doubts of his honesty, उन्होंने उसकी ईमानदारी पे डाउट किया था. could not have been warm bored in the mind, so that he was not be active in their mind and soul. इसलिए उसकी बॉडी और उसकी माइंड इतना खुश नहीं था. He can't become the happy when he came to know about their people are making some doubts on their honesty. So he was not happy and can't be good cheer. इसलिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश नहीं हो पाया था, बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी नहीं था. When the meal was almost over, the late supper was completely over. लगभग ख़त्म हो चुका था. यहाँ जो मील वर्ड बार बार में यूज़ हो रहा है, आप लोग अब तक सोचते होंगे कि मील जो है वो दोपहर का खाना है, बट हियर दैट्स द लेट नाइट सपर. एंड वन ऑफ सन्स सेड टू हर्बर्ट when the meal was almost over, the supper, the late night dinner was completed now. And one of the sons said to Herbert, उनमें से एक बच्चा हर्बर्ट को कहता है, एक बेटा, the son of the old couple asked him, well my boy, how are you? अच्छा, कैसे हो तुम? Can you take a pinch of snuff? Would you like to take the snuff? Pinch of, एक चुटकी. Snuff is a tobacco generally breathed up into the nose in the form of powder. That's the snuff. tobacco को जब एक पाउडर के फॉर्म में नोज़ में उसकी जो ब्रीथ ली जाती है, that is the snuff. तंबाकू सूंघना. He held out one of the snuff box, which were then becoming common among the young and old throughout the country. He held out the one snuff box. He had a snuff box in his hand. उसने पकड़ा हुआ था एक snuff box अपने हाथ में, which were on that time become very common in all the country. उस समय ये country में काफ़ी चलन में था, काफ़ी young and old persons में ये काफ़ी common thing थी. Thank you, Herbert. Thank you, said Herbert, and accepting a pinch. इसने एक he took a pinch. He accepted a pinch and said thank you. उसने एक चुटकी उठाते हुए उन्हें thanks कहा. Tell the ladies, who are you? What are you made of? What you can do? Tell them the ladies, what are you? Who are you? बताओ इन ladies को तुम कौन हो? What are you made of? तुम क्या कर सकते हो? And what you can do? तुम क्या कर सकते हो? What you are made of? तुम क्या करने जा रही हो? And what you can do? और तुम क्या कर सकते हो? The young man was continuing with his talk and slapping Herbert upon the shoulder. He is slapping Herbert upon the shoulder means he was touching in a hard way with the on the Herbert shoulder. वो उसके कंधे पे बार बार में टच करते हुए उसे कह रहा था. Tell them what are you, what's going to do here, and what you can make them to laugh. उन्हें हंसाने के लिए तुम क्या कर सकते हो? Certainly, said our hero. अचानक से, said our hero. अचानक से उसने कहा, बताओ हमारे हीरो. And drawing himself up and thinking it best to put a bold face on the matter. अचानक से, suddenly he got an idea in his mind and thinking it's best to put a very good face in front of them on the matter. I'm traveling magician. He just said very clearly that I'm a traveling magician. I'm a magician. Indeed. You can call up the spirits from the vast deep, you wizard. And he told them he is a magician, he is a traveling magician. वो एक जादूगर है, एक यात्री है. Can you call up spirits from the vast deep, your wizard? क्या तुम spirits को बुला सकते हो? Can you call up spirits from the heaven? Can you call the spirits from heaven? Did you believe in the magic of the spirits? I can conjure up a tempest in a cupboard. I can conjure up a tempest in a cupboard. Herbert replied. Herbert ने reply किया, I can call them in a cupboard. Ha ha ha, said the old brunette. Old brunette is the household worker. Ha ha, said the old. वो से he laughed at him, pleasantly rubbing his hands. He was rubbing his hand and said it. We must see this performance, girls. Don't go anyway, don't go away. Here's something to be seen. Girls, we will take the enjoy of the person who is going to perform something. We must see his performance. हमें उसकी performance देखना चाहिए. Girls, don't go away. Girls, don't go anyway. कहीं मत जाइए. Here is something to be seen. Something is going to perform here and that will be to seen. That would be to seen. यहाँ वो कुछ perform करने वाला है and that is something to be seen, जो कुछ देखने लायक होगा. Herbert rose from the table. हर्बर्ट टेबल से उठता है. हैंड मी योर स्नफ बॉक्स प्लीज़. हैंडेड ओवर मी योर स्नफ बॉक्स प्लीज़. मुझे अपना स्नफ बॉक्स दीजिए. ही सेड टू द यंग मैन. उसने उस यंग मैन से कहा हु हैड मेड फन ऑफ हिम, जो कि उसका मजाक कर रहे थे. एंड नाउ ही कंटिन्यूड. अब वो कंटिन्यू था. विदाउट द लीस्ट नॉइज फॉलो मी. विदाउट द लीस्ट नॉइज, बिना किसी आवाज़ के तुम मुझे फॉलो करो. इफ़ एनी ऑफ यू स्पीक, यदि आप में से कोई भी बोलता है, इट विल ब्रेक द स्पेल, तो ये जादू टूट जाएगा. दिस कंप्लीटेड योर सेक्शन 3rd एंड नाउ द रिमेनिंग सेक्शन 4 विल सी ऑन मंडे. एंड थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.